Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new tutorial on the How to Make an Egg Hatching System series. So in the past tutorial, I've noticed a bug, which is that when you go ahead and hatch an egg and try to hatch it again, it will take away your coins and the cooldown is still running. And that's not what we want. And we'll also be adding a capacity system, so you can't have more than 25 pets in your inventory. But before we start, I wanna let you guys know that I have a Patreon, so if you guys want to support me and want to have access to every single one of my tutorial files, the link will be in the description. And yeah, let's start. So what we're gonna do is go to our egg server script, or let's go to the egg server, and in our player added we're gonna create an int value, so local capacity is equal to instance.new, and we'll create a int value, and capacity.name is equal to capacity, and capacity.value is equal to, let's say, 25, and capacity.parent is equal to player PLR. And if you go ahead and play the game right now, you should have a capacity int value inside of our player object. So as you can see, we have a capacity and it's set to 25, but it doesn't really work, so we're going to be making it work. So what I'm going to do is reset my data. So I'm going to go to my data saving script and reset the data key, and after doing that, I'm going to go back to my egg_server script, and we will be fixing two bugs at the same time. So scroll all the way down, and when you see this in your egg_server script, proximity.triggered connect function PLR local result. So when we fire this remote function, if we go to our egg module_server script, when we hatch the egg, there is this. So we check if the player's money is greater or equal than the price, then we subtract the price from the player's coins. But that's not really what we want, since we haven't checked if the cooldown is running or not. So to do that, what I'm going to do is just remove this line of code, and I'm going to paste it right here. So I'm going to do that, and as you can see, we don't have the currency and the price. So what I'm going to do is copy this, go back here and paste it right here. I'm going to space it out a little, and I'm going to change this to workspace.eggs, and I'm going to find egg.name. And now if you go ahead and play the game, you should be able to hatch the egg, and it won't have that bug. As you can see, it doesn't subtract any money until I try to hatch it again, which just happened. Okay, so what I just realized is how useless this hatch egg remote function is, but I think we're going to be cleaning up that in the next tutorial. And what I'm going to do right now is check the capacity. So in the egg_module server, or let's go to the egg server script, not the module script, I'm going to check, and PLR dot capacity dot value is, or let's do, and hashtag PLR dot pets +1 hashtag PLR.pets +1 is less or equal than PLR.capacity.value. Then now what I'm going to do is go back to my egg_server script and change my capacity value to 5 and play the game. So I'm going to hatch a couple of pets. And it does not work because we have an error. Okay, this is very simple to fix. All we have to do is go back to our egg_server scripts, and instead of doing #plr.pets, #plr.pets get children. After doing that, you want to play the game, and hopefully that works. So we have two pets. So if I hatch this one, it should be my maximum limit, hopefully. And I think it is. Let's try to hatch an egg again, and nope, it doesn't work. Now, this is not what we want, so... Actually, I just realized something. My capacity is 3, it's 5. So I should have one last chance at this, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I shouldn't be able to hatch an egg again. And as you can see, this is working. So, this is going to be it for today's tutorial. In the next tutorial, we're going to be adding a pet deleting system. And yeah, if this was helpful, please consider subscribing, like the video, share it with your friends, and I will see you all in the next tutorial. Bye!